Okay, the chicken was in the oven for an hour and a half at 350, and it was right at 164 degrees. I took it out. That's close enough. It's supposed to be 165, but 1 degree, not worried about it. Anyway, it actually the temperature comes up in the middle for a few minutes. It continues to come up after you take it out because the outside part is heating the inside part. Anyway, and then after that hour and a half at 350, I took it out for an hour, let it cool, and then I put it back in the oven at 450. And after 20 minutes, I was smelling the drippings starting to cook down to nothing, and so I took it out of the oven and let it cool for another half hour while I made all the sides. And now it's still pretty warm, but I'm going to go ahead and slice it because I've got a hungry customer in there. Let's see. What's that? Oh, I thought that was another piece of string. And this is the net, of course. Oh, You want a nice sharp knife for this. Look at that. How about that, huh? It would have been better if I'd have let it cool a little more. But that's alright. The slices are holding together, that's the main thing. Alright, there you have it. It's a lot of work, but it's, pretty simple in principle. And that's it. Now I'm going to dish up the plates and we're going to go and enjoy this. So see you dinner time tomorrow, YouTubers. Bon appetit.